Hello everyone and welcome back to Denise's Beauty Corner. It's been a while since I uploaded anything on this YouTube channel, but I thought I would like to kickstart this channel again with some beauty videos and whatever videos that do not fit into my other channels. So I am working on also creating a channel that is going to be more travel and behind the scene and production inspired, but this channel is going to be purely for beauty things and bags and things that I have been doing here before. So today I just wanted to do a little haul because I've been purchasing a lot of beauty products and I kept them in the bags. I haven't opened them yet because I wanted to do a little haul and show you what I got. So if you have tried any of these products, because all of these products are new products for me except from one thing. So if you tried any of these products before, let me know in the comment sections down below what you think about them, because I would love to hear. So I've been purchasing things from Sephora, from Kiko, and also from Druni. I don't know how to pronounce it. So I am currently in Spain and I have been buying things from here now. So we're going to dig into the Sephora bag first. And in the Sephora bag, I also have this one that is from Kiko. I didn't take a bag because I already had the Sephora bag when I went in there. So I just asked them to put them in my Sephora bag. So I saw this Day in Bloom Radiant Universal Oil. It's from their new collection. And it is, I tried it out, both me and my sister and niece tried it out in the store. It's like this, and like an oil that you have on the skin. And it is kind of nice. So it is like shimmery. I don't know if you can see, but it is shimmery. And it gives you like a moisture. And it shimmers for a while. I have to say, like, we tried it on the back of our hand and it did shimmer for a while. After a while, it didn't shimmer that much anymore. It has a very nice smell to it, like a radiant smell. And what I like with it, the reason why I bought it is because it's very moisturizing, and it was 19 euro. And I think that the bottle is super cute as well. So I will display the bottle like this, and I will use these drops like moisture for the skin. Like, for example, if I'm wearing shorts, it's very nice to wear like on the legs for like a little moisture and shimmery. I'll not use it every day instead of my body lotion. I will use it just like this. And I also think that the bottle was super cute, and I like the little dripping thing as well. I think it's very cute. So this one was a spontaneous purchase. I was not supposed to buy this, but I was like, hey, I like it, I'm gonna buy it. So that was the only thing from Kiko. The rest that I have in this bag is from Sephora. So I'm going to take things out from the bag. So the first thing I bought from Sephora is this. So honestly, this is like a super popular thing on the internet. My niece told me this. Sol de Janeiro, and this is number 62, which I think is their most popular one, which is the Bum Bum Summer Cream. And I bought the Jet Set version. So this is a body lotion, a body mist spray, and this is a shower wash, which I don't care for so much, but it was included in this kit. So the reason why I bought this is because Dania, my niece, she was wearing this when I was like a couple of days ago when she was here, and I was like, what's that smell? And she was like, oh, it's this cream, and she showed me, and I was like, I want to buy that one. So we went to Sephora. Smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. So instead of buying, because sometimes things are smelling really good on someone and then you try it on yourself and it's like, it doesn't smell as good on me. So I wanted to get it in like a smaller version so I can try it on myself and see if I liked it. And that's why this one was included in the smaller kit. So if I like it, I've only tried it once from her, and if I like it, I am going to purchase the bigger bottle. It doesn't smell as good in the bottle as it does from the cream, but yeah, so this is something that I will try out and let you know what I think about it. Then I purchased a new face cream. So if you have been watching my channel here before, I am all about expensive and really good serums, but I usually don't put a lot of money into the moisturizing cream because I just find that if you have a really good serum that gives you all the nutrition and everything, and I use the Transderma serums, and they give you like everything you need for your skin, then like usually I just use a cream for moisture. But what I've been finding out, like I wanted to try something because I don't know, I just wanted to try something else. It looks like my face is super glossy, by the way, but yeah. I wanted to try out something else, so I did splurge a little bit and I did buy the Drunk Elephant cream. I never tried the Drunk Elephant cream. I never tried the Drunk Elephant cream before, so this is a first time experience for me. This was approximately 65 euros. This, by the way, was 30, like 29.99 euro for this whole kit. So this was 65 euro, and I bought the Lala Retro whipped cream. So my niece Dania told me like this is a very fat cream, but I have a little bit dry skin, which you cannot think now when you see that I look all glossy. I don't know why I look so glossy, but I have a very dry skin. So I wanted to try this out, and I mean, all of you maybe know Drunk Elephant already, but it comes in this package and you press it like this and you swoop it up like that, because I don't like when it is you put your finger inside of the cream. So I like this idea and I will try it out and I will let you know. If you want me to do like a review like before and after using this combined with my Transderma serums. Now I'm combining my Transderma serums with like a 2 euro cream from Primor. So I'm gonna see if there's any difference, if it's worth splurging the money on this cream, and if it is, I will let you know. So let me know if you want me to do like a comparison video with this cream. The second thing I got is the Pixie Detoxify Caffeine and Cucumber eye patches. So this is another thing that I splurged a little bit on. I think this was like 30 euros. I'm gonna put this in the fridge before using it. So I have a little bit of under eyes bag. I mean, most of us has it, but I do have like some puffy under eyes sometimes. So I wanted to try this. I don't know if I believe in this. Oh, it's not open. I'm gonna open it. I don't know if I'm a huge believer that this is working, but I was like, you know what? Let's try it. So I'm going to try it, and it comes in a container like this, and you open it and it's this like under eye bags that you put underneath your eyes. But I have got recommended from my niece once again to have them. Oh, okay. So I just pour that cream everywhere. Oh, well, that was stupid on me. So I'm going to try it, and it says that you're going to leave it on for 10 minutes. So I will try them and see. Maybe I do a side-by-side comparison to let you know if there is any difference. I will put them in the fridge so they are cold. So that might be an interesting video to do, like comparison, do one side and not the other side, and see if there is any effect. Because as I said, I'm not a huge believer that this thing is working, but I'm open-minded, so I'm gonna try it. So that was everything that I got from Sephora. And then the other day I went in and I splurged a little bit on Druni. And I got, first, this is the only thing that I have used before. So I got for my bathroom, I got new soap, not new soap, but new soap, the Ritual. And I got the Ritual of Ayurveda. And this is one of my favorite. This one is, and the one, I don't know the name for it, but the one that is like turquoise. So I got the soap, and I also got the hand cream. I do prefer to have the hand cream in a pump, like similar, they come usually in a similar pump, but a like smaller one that you can have them next to each other. But I didn't have it here, which is super weird. So I got the hand cream in a bottle like this, and I can just have it next to it. And this one I can also take with me, and it smells really good. I really love this smell, and the cream was super nice. I'm putting so much stuff on this hand, but it's already still shimmery from, like, can you see, like on here, can you see the gloss from the Pixie one? But now I'm putting the cream. It smells so good. So This is something that it's not a first impression because I have used this soap a lot, but I really like Rituals. It's like when you use them, they are a little bit more expensive for being like hand soap and things, but it smells like in the whole bathroom when you use it, so I really like it. So I spread a little bit and bought that. And then I don't know what happened to me because I used to own like 1 or 2 perfumes at the time. Then something just happened to me here in Spain and I've been starting to buy a lot of perfumes. And I don't know why, but all of a sudden I'm so much into perfumes. And when my niece was here, we were going around smelling different perfumes and I found 2 perfumes from Jean Paul that I really liked. So I decided yesterday, because I was like debating which one to get, and I decided yesterday I'm just gonna get both. So I got both. So the first one, oh, I got some samples in here as well. Yeah, I got the samples of the Burberry Goddess perfume, which I tried on yesterday and it smelled amazing. So I got this test. I'm going to try it on a couple of more times. Maybe I will purchase this perfume as well because it did smell amazing. That one had a little stronger smell to it. I also got like a Biotherm Uplift Cream. Oh, so another face cream that I will try, like a trial one. So the one that I bought was the Divine, and in this one I bought the gift kit because the gift kit was offering 100 milliliter and then additional like travel. Oh wow, I didn't even notice in the store. Like, this is a container. Okay, that's fancy. Let's open it. Oh, container box. So I will keep this box, I think. So here we have the perfume, and this is a full-size perfume. It's 100 milliliter, and it came to the same. This is the, like, I paid 98 euro, and the same price was for only the 100 milliliter. But in the gift kit, you also got like this, or can get it out, like the travel version. I don't like to. I know that you can have this travel things, and you can like squish in perfume from it. I don't like to do that. I don't know why, because after a while I keep forgetting like. Okay, impossible to get it out from here. Come on. Yeah, work it with me. Oh, okay, that was a hassle. So, a travel-friendly little bottle. Okay, this smells heavily. I loved it. So, let's see if I can get the other one out as well. Shouldn't be this much of a struggle to get things out, like, really? Okay, I just destroyed it. Well, at least I got the bottle out. This is the bottle, very fancy. Isn't it a top to this? Okay, no, it's no top, you just take it out like this. Oh, that's cool. Like a necklace on the body. So, really nice, and I really like the smell of this one. So, definitely. Oh. I just showed you how to open it and I just forgot myself and I just like, okay. I think it's on now. So, it smells super fresh and super good. And I mean, the bottles are from Jean Paul is always super fancy, so I liked it. And the other perfume that I got is also from Jean Paul, and this is like the new edition one. So it's this one. I haven't even opened it. This one had more like a fresh smell to it. So this one I only bought the small bottle because I like more to have the smaller bottles when traveling. So I bought the small one and I will see how I like the smell, but this is very travel friendly. But from smelling it in the store, it was super fresh, super nice. I have to say that I'm a little bit disappointed that the bottle, like the small bottle, didn't have the nice, like it had this nice flower printing on the bigger one, like on the side. I thought the small one was going to have it as well, but obviously not. So, but it has a really nice smell to it, and yeah, it comes like this. So yeah, that was the purchases that I did, and let me know if there is anything of this that you would like me to do more in-depth reviews of. Maybe the creams will be like something, the eye patches and the creams, like to show you how it's working if it does any difference. So yeah, that was today's haul. I hope that you did like it, and if you did, let me know. And yeah, I hope you're going to tune in with me for my coming videos here. Make sure to click on the subscribe and everything, and you can go and check out my other channels. You have everything like on my profile and the description and everything below. So that being said, thank you so much for watching. See you very soon. Bye.